Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? How's the energy? Okay, so we are beginning this beautiful event. Good morning everyone. I warmly welcome you all on the inter-college quiz competition organized by Move Law Academy. Move Law Academy is a renowned judiciary coaching institute and a one-stop destination for preparation of judiciary, CLAT, AIB, and other law entrance examinations. With over 100 selections in judiciary, legal assistant, and various competitive examinations, the Academy has consistently guided students toward excellence in the legal field. Today, we are honored to have among us some distinguished guests. We are privileged to welcome Anshu Sharma ma'am, former judge of Gujarat Judiciary and a practicing advocate at Honorable High Court of Gujarat. We are extend a warm welcome to Nitin Gandhi sir, a renowned criminal advocate of Gujarat and a motivational speaker who has inspired thousands of students. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir, please? Thank you so much, sir. We are equally honored to welcome Tanmay Karya sir, former judge of Gujarat Judiciary and presently a practicing advocate at the High Court of Gujarat. And now we are beginning the event. Now I am introduce all of the college students and all of you. First we have the Silver Oak University Ahmedabad, then Monarch University Ahmedabad, Avirat Law College Ahmedabad, Anand Law College from Anand, Karnavati University from Gandhinagar, Vadodara Institute of Law from Vadodara, Lokmanya College from Ahmedabad, GLS University from Ahmedabad, and LJ University from Ahmedabad. For the round 1, every college we will be asking 4 questions. Okay, and for the right answer, there will be plus 10 points. For the wrong answer, there will be minus 4 points. And if you do not attempt, then there is 0, nothing. And for the round 2, same. 4 questions for each college, plus 10 for the right answer, minus 4 for the wrong answer, and 0 for unattempt. After the 2 rounds are completed, we'll be calculating and adding both of the round scores. And the top 3 colleges will move to round 3. But if we don't find the top 3 colleges, then there will be a tiebreaker round between the tie colleges. And for that, we'll be doing the tiebreaker round, and after that, we'll be moving to the round 3, which will be the buzzer round. And in that, there will be only 3 colleges who will be the top 3 colleges. And for that, for the right answer, you'll be getting plus 20 marks. For the wrong answer, minus 10 marks. And for unattempt, that is, if you press the buzzer and if you do not answer the question, then there will be minus 5. If you press the buzzer and do not answer the question. So, clear with the rules? हम लोग यहाँ से start कर रहे हैं with the first question. And are you all ready? Okay. So, for the first question, under which articles of the Constitution the rights given therein are available only to the citizens of India? Option A, Article 15, 16, 19 and 21. Option B, Article 15, 16, 19 and 25 2. Option C, Article 15, 16, 19 and 20. Or Option D, Articles 15, 16, 19 and 29. You have to answer this question. The timer has started. You have time of 30 seconds. Mic on नहीं आपका. Long press. You are saying option A. Do you want to take one more chance? Okay, but this is the wrong answer. Okay, moving to the question 2. Yes, the correct answer is option D. Articles 15, 16, 19 and 29. Okay. Moving to question 2. Okay, Article 39A of the Indian Constitution relates to option A, right to work. We are moving to the question. Article 39A of the Indian Constitution relates to option A, right to work, option B, right to strike, option C, equal justice and free legal aid, or option D, participation of workers in the management of industries? Your timer starts now.
Option C.
Option C?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's the correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause for the first correct answer from this team? Okay. The points are going to add. We are calculating the points side by side. Now, option 3 for this group. How many fundamental duties are prescribed under Article 51A of the Constitution of India? Option A, 10. Option B, 11. Option C, 12. Or option D, none of the above. जो भी डिस्कस कर रहा है थोड़ा धीरे डिस्कस करो, नहीं तो आपके पॉइंट्स उधर चले जाएंगे. Ten seconds left.
D.
None of the above. Sorry, wrong answer. Okay, the right answer is option B, 11. Okay, moving to the fourth group. Who is the ex officio chairman of Council of States? Option A, President. Option B, Vice President. Option C, Prime Minister. Or option D, Speaker of House of the People?
B, option B, Vice President.
Correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Okay. Moving to the next group. Next question is, to remove the president from the post, impeachment can be brought on the grounds of option A, violation of constitution, option B, misconduct, option C, corruption, or option D, all of the above. Ten seconds left.
Option A.
Correct answer. Can we have a round of applause for the group, please? Okay, moving to the next group. Can you pass on the mic, please? Yes. Next question is, time gap between two sessions of parliament cannot exceed option A, 2 months, option B, 4 months, option C, 6 months, or option D, 8 months.
Option C, 6 months.
Correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Okay, your next question is, who among the following in India does not take oath of his office? Option A, Vice President, option B, Speaker, option C, MLA, or option D, MP?
MLA. Option C.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is option B, Speaker. Yes. Okay, moving to the next group. Your next question is, the law declared by Supreme Court of India is binding on all courts under option A, Article 32, option B, Article 141, option C, Article 226, or option D, Article 368.
Option B, Article 141.
Correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Okay, moving to the next group. Yes. The question is, the Indian Constitution provides for the appointment of ad hoc judges in the option A, Supreme Court, option B, High Court, option C, District and Sessions Court, or option D, all of the above.
Okay.
Look. करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. तालियां हर एक आंसर के बाद वी वांट ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अपलॉज प्लीज. ओके, नाउ वी आर बिगनिंग फ्रॉम हियर अगेन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the concept of judicial review in India has been borrowed from option A British Constitution, option B Irish Constitution, option C American Constitution, option D Canadian Constitution.
American Constitution.
Correct answer. Okay, moving to the next group. Your question is, in which case has the Supreme Court of India decided that the reservation should be less than 50%? Option A, Champakan Dorai Region, State of Madras. Option B, M.R. Balaji v. State of Mysore. Option C, R. Chitralekha v. State of Mysore. Or option D, none of the above.
A.
Option A.
Yes.
Do you want to take a chance?
No. We're sure.
It's the wrong answer. Sorry. The correct answer is M.R. Balaji v. State of Mysore. Okay, you have a mic? Okay. The next question is, in which case did the Supreme Court upheld the validity of national awards like Bharat Ratna? Option A, Balaji Raghavan v. Union of India. Option B, Mohini Jain v. State of Karnataka. Option C, D.K. Basu v. State of West Bengal. Option D, J.P. Unni Krishnan v. State of AP. Try. You should try it once.
C.
And the timer is off. अगर आंसर आप देते तो आप क्या आंसर देते?
C.
C. Wrong हो जाता. The answer is Balaji Raghavan v. Union of India. Okay. Moving to the next group. Okay, your question is, in which case did the Supreme Court strike down section 303 IPC as unconstitutional? Option A, Machi Singh v. State of Punjab. Option B, Bachchan Singh v. State of Punjab. Option C, Jian Kaur v. State of Punjab. Or option D, Mithu v. State of Punjab.
Option D.
Option D. Okay, this is the right answer. कितने टाइम बाद right answer आया? Okay, moving to the next question. Yes. Which of the following cases is in connection with parliamentary privileges? Option A, A.K. Gopalan v. Union of India. Option B, Minerva Mills versus Union of India. Option C, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. Or option D, Keshav Singh versus Speaker of UP Assembly.
ऑप्शन डी.
5 सेकंड में सही जवाब दिया. करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. Your question is, case holding exclusion of jurisdiction of Supreme Court and High Court under Articles 32 and 226 unconstitutional. Option A, Sampath Kumar versus Union of India. Option B, L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. Option C, S.K. Sharma versus State of Bihar. Or option D, L. Nandan Kamath versus State of Odisha. Ten seconds left. Just try.
No.
No answer? Okay, the correct answer is option B, L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. आप वही आंसर देने वाले थे कि कुछ देने ही नहीं वाले थे? Okay. Moving to the next question. In which case the Supreme Court held that objectives in the preamble of the Constitution from basic structure? Option A, Manika Gandhi versus Union of India. Option B, Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan. Option C, Keshav Nanda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Option D, Golak Nath versus State of Punjab.
It is option C.
Option
Keshavananda
C.
Bharati versus State of Kerala.
Okay, correct answer. क्या बात है. सब लोग अपने पॉइंट्स खुद कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो क्या? कर भी रहे हो? ओके, नाइस. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप, रेडी? ओके. Your question is, among below which case is not related to constitutional amendment? Option A, Shankari Prasad versus Union of India. Option B, Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan. Option C, Golak Nath versus State of Punjab. Or option D, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. आंसर तो करेक्ट है बट माइक पे नहीं आया. क्या बात है, तालियां जोर से बजनी चाहिए.
Option D, Menka Gandhi versus Union of India.
Correct answer. Okay, now we have the last question. Your question is, in which case the Supreme Court upheld a citizen's right to negative voting? Option A, PUCL versus Union of India 2003. Option B, Chief Election Commissioner versus Jan Chaukidar. Option C, PUCL versus Union of India 1997. Option D, PUCL versus Union of India 2013.
मैम आंसर सी.
आंसर सी. अब बाकी सबके क्वेश्चंस में सही आंसर्स देते हो बट आपके टाइम पे रॉन्ग हो गया. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, PUCL versus Union of India 2013. Okay, now we are moving to the round 1, part 2, which will again start from here. Okay, ready? Your question is, a counter offer is option A, an invitation to offer. Option B, an acceptance of offer. Option C, a rejection of the original offer. Or option D, a cross offer.
D, a cross offer.
Done? Wrong answer. The correct answer is option C, a rejection of the original offer. Okay, moving to question number 2. Unlawful consideration and object have been mentioned under which section of Indian Contract Act 1872? Option A, section 18. Option B, section 20. Option C, section 26. Or option D, section 23. We have only 30 seconds, not 2 minutes.
Okay. Option B,
Section 23.
करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. Okay, moving to the next question. A contract of life insurance is a option A contingent contract, option B wagering contract, option C contract of indemnity, or option D contract of guarantee.
B. B.
लॉक कर दे. Wrong answer. The correct answer is option A contingent contract. Okay, moving to the next one. Your question is, a party rescinding a contract, option A, is not entitled to damages. Option B, can sue for specific performance. Option C, cannot sue but only defend. Or option D, can sue for damages.
Hello. Option A.
Wrong answer. The answer is option D, can sue for damages. Okay. Your next question is, a contract of pledge is contract of option A indemnity, option B guarantee, option C bailment, or option D pledge. Less than 10 seconds left. बोल दो भैया.
Option C, bailment.
टाइम देख रहे हो? हाँ, यू स्पोक बट करेक्ट आंसर है. टाइम के पहले ही बोला आपने. करेक्ट है. क्या तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए? एकदम लास्ट सेकंड में यू गिव द करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट. ओके. मूविंग टू द माइक प्लीज. Your next question is, a change of nature of obligation of a contract is known as option A alteration, option B repudiation, option C rescission, or option D novation. Ten seconds.
Option B.
Wrong answer. The answer is option A alteration. Okay, moving to the next question. The maxim lex non cogit ad impossibilia is related to option A impossibility of performance, option B frustration of contract, option C both A and B, or option D none of the above.
Ma'am, option C, both A and B.
करेक्ट आंसर. तालियां हो जाए. मोस्टली आपके आंसर्स करेक्ट ही आ रहे हैं. नाइस. ओके, नेक्स्ट ग्रुप रेडी. योर क्वेश्चन इज, responsibility of founder of goods is covered under option A indemnity, option B quasi contract, option C contingency contract, or option D agency. करेक्ट आंसर. Huge round of applause, please. जो भी करेक्ट आंसर दे रहे हैं उनके लिए. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. अब अपनी बारी में सही जवाब देना है. ओके, योर क्वेश्चन इज executory consideration. Option A consists of a promise in future. Option B, liability is outstanding on both the parties. Option C is a promise for a promise. Or option D, all of the above.
Option D.
Correct answer. क्या बात है. Okay, now we are again starting from here. Your question is, A promises to deliver goods to B on a certain day at a certain time on the payment of ₹1,000. A dies before that day. Option A, the contract is void. Option B, A's representatives are not bound to deliver the goods to B. Option C, the contract is voidable. Or option D, A's representatives are bound to deliver the goods to B and B is bound to pay ₹1,000 to the representatives of A. Close to 10 seconds. बोल दो.
A, the contract is void.
Wrong answer. The answer is option D. A's representatives are bound to deliver the goods to B and B is bound to pay ₹1,000 to the representatives of A. Okay, moving to the next one. अभी सारे questions mostly concept based ही है. Okay, your question is, A supplies the wife and children of B, a lunatic, with necessaries suitable to their condition in life. Option A is entitled to be reimbursed from B's property. Option B, A cannot reimburse as B is lunatic. Option C, A cannot reimburse as the child is minor. Or option D, both B and C. Ten seconds. Just try. No trial. Okay, the answer is option A. A is entitled to be reimbursed from B's property. यही देने वाले थे? दे देना चाहिए था. Okay. Okay, moving to the next question. Company A advertises that it will pay ₹1,000 to any person who uses its product as directed and still contracts a disease. Person B uses the product according to instructions and contracts the disease. Company A refuses to pay on the ground that there was no contract. Option A, the advertisement was merely an invitation to offer. Option B, no contract existed as acceptance was not communicated. Option C, a binding contract was formed by performance of the condition. Or option D, the agreement is void for uncertainty.
C.
जब तक मैं बोल रही थी तब तक सोच लिया है ना. करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज प्लीज. आप लोगों की बातें सुनाई दे रही है. Okay, moving to the next group. Your question is, person A makes a statement to person B believing it to be true, though it later turns out to be false. Option A, it amounts to fraud. Option B, it amounts to misrepresentation. Option C, it amounts to coercion. Or option D, it renders the agreement void.
Hello. Option B.
Correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Okay, moving to the next question. Your question is, person A asks person B the last price of land. B states the price. A accepts, B refuses. Option A concluded contract was formed. Option B, person B's reply was an offer. Option C, person B's reply was only an invitation to offer. Or option D, refusal amounts to breach of contract. Less than 10 seconds.
Option C.
तुक्का था कि सही था? Yes, it's correct. But ये सोच के बोला कि तुक्का था? ओके ओके, इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. क्या बात है. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Person A announces a reward. Person B, without knowledge, performs the act. Option A, person B is entitled to the reward. Option B, person B is entitled as consideration existed. Option C, person B is not entitled due to lack of knowledge of the offer. Or option D, reward must be paid as the act was beneficial.
Option C.
Correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? क्या बात है. Okay, moving to the next one. Your question is, husband A promises to pay a monthly allowance to wife B while living together. Option A, the agreement is legally enforceable. Option B, the agreement is void for lack of consideration. Option C, the agreement lacks intention to create legal relations. Or option D, the agreement is voidable at the option of wife B. 10 seconds.
Option C. The agreement lacks intention to create legal relations.
Correct answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Ready? Okay. Person A promises rupees 50,000 if person B withdraws a non-compoundable complaint. Which of the following is correct? Option A, the agreement is valid as consideration exists. Option B, the agreement is void as its object is unlawful. Option C, the agreement is voidable at the option of person B. Or option D, the agreement is enforceable due to performance. Ten seconds.
Option B, the agreement is void, its object is unlawful.
Correct answer. Huge round of applause, please. Okay, moving to the next question. Person A agrees to sell his house to person B, claiming no encumbrance, later found mortgaged. Which of the following is correct? Option A, the agreement is void. Option B, the agreement is voidable at the option of person B. Option C, the agreement amounts to fraud. Or option D, the agreement is enforceable without remedy.
B.
करेक्ट आंसर. तालियां जोर से सुनाई देनी चाहिए सभी लोगों के लिए. सब बहुत अच्छा ट्राई कर रहे हैं. Okay. So the round 1 is complete. Okay. First is Silver Oak University अहमदाबाद के पॉइंट्स है 26. सिर्फ एक नेगेटिव मार्किंग आई है. मोनार्क यूनिवर्सिटी अहमदाबाद के पॉइंट्स है 40. कहाँ है? सारे सही जवाब. क्या बात है. अविरत लॉ कॉलेज अहमदाबाद के पॉइंट्स है 16. एक नेगेटिव मार्किंग एंड एक अनअटेम्प्ट. आनंद लॉ कॉलेज फ्रॉम आनंद के पॉइंट्स है कितने होंगे? कहाँ पे है कॉलेज? कितने हैं? कैलकुलेट नहीं किए? -2 है. ओके, राउंड 2 में आप कवर करने की ट्राई करना. ओके, कर्णावती यूनिवर्सिटी गांधीनगर के पॉइंट्स है 40. तो 2 लीडिंग टीम्स है अभी हमारे पास. क्या बात है. वडोदरा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ वडोदरा के पॉइंट्स है 26. एक नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. लोकमान्य कॉलेज अहमदाबाद के पॉइंट्स है 2. कहाँ पे है कॉलेज? ओके. GLS यूनिवर्सिटी अहमदाबाद क्या पॉइंट्स है? 26 विद 1 नेगेटिव मार्किंग. और LG यूनिवर्सिटी के पॉइंट्स है 16 विद 1 नेगेटिव मार्किंग. We have 2 leading teams, कर्णावती यूनिवर्सिटी गांधीनगर एंड मोनार्क यूनिवर्सिटी अहमदाबाद. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. सभी लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा अटेम्प्ट किया, बट वी हैव 2 लीडिंग ग्रुप्स. ओके, नाउ रेडी फॉर राउंड 2. ओके, मूविंग टू राउंड 2. यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इनोसेंट इनकोएट क्राइम? ऑप्शन ए पब्लिक न्यूसेंस, ऑप्शन बी क्रिमिनल अटेम्प्ट, ऑप्शन सी अनलॉफुल असेंबली और ऑप्शन डी रायट.
D.
Option D. Wrong answer. The answer is option B, criminal attempt. Okay, moving to the next group. Question. The offense of forgery is committed as regards to option A, government currency notes, option B, government documents only, option C, documents or electronic record, or option D, artistic work.
Option C. Ma'am.
Option C. Correct answer. तालियां हो जाए जोरदार. Okay, moving to the next question. Can a person commit theft of his own property? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, it will depend on the discretion of the court, or option D, it will depend on the property.
C.
Answer C. The answer is A. Yes. बस एक हाँ बोलना था. Okay, no problem. Moving to the next one. Your question is, to constitute the offense of kidnapping from lawful guardianship in respect to the person of unsound mind, the outer age limit is option A 16 years if female, option B 18 years if male, option C 21 years, or option D not prescribed.
Option D.
Correct answer. Can we have a huge round of applause, please, for the correct answer? Moving to the next question. The case of K.M. Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra is related to option A, theft, ऑप्शन बी dacoity, ऑप्शन सी abetment और ऑप्शन डी grave and sudden provocation.
Option D.
क्वेश्चंस लीक हुए थे. करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज प्लीज. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The case of Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab is considered to be an important decision of the Supreme Court of India in the context of option A, abduction and murder, option B, extortion, option C, death penalty or option D, rape.
Option C, death penalty.
करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. पॉइंट्स नहीं बिगाड़ने. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज नॉट बीन डेजिग्नेटेड एज ग्रीवियस हर्ट अंडर भारतीय न्याय संहिता? ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए डिसलोकेशन ऑफ अ टूथ, ऑप्शन बी emasculation, option C temporary loss of hearing capacity or option D temporary privation of any member or joint.
Option C.
करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. तालियां जोर से सुनाई देनी चाहिए करेक्ट आंसर्स पे प्लीज. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. फॉर abduction the abducted person should be option A below 16 years of age, option B below 18 years of age, option C below 21 years of age or option D of any age.
Option
करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. योर क्वेश्चन इज अंडर भारतीय न्याय संहिता सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स बाय अ मैन विद अ वुमन who is not his wife with her consent is a rape if she is below the age of option A 16 years, option B 17 years, option C 18 years or option D 21 years.
A 16 years.
रॉन्ग आंसर हो गया. ऑप्शन सी 18 ईयर्स. कोई नहीं, सबको पता था इसका आंसर. ओके, नाउ राउंड 2. योर क्वेश्चन इज कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड. A swimmer by profession sees B drowning in the river but does not save him. B is drowned. A has committed option A the offense of murder, option B the offense of abetment of suicide, option C the offense of culpable homicide not amounting to murder or option D no offense.
C. The offense of culpable homicide not amounting to murder.
Wrong answer. The answer is D. No offense. Okay, moving to the next question. Your question is P, after committing a murder, removed some ornament from the dead body, though the accused P was guilty of an offense of murder. The removal of ornaments amount to which of the following? Option A, theft, option B, mischief, option C, criminal misappropriation or option D, robbery.
Option D, robbery.
The answer is option C. Wrong answer हो गया. Answer is criminal misappropriation. आपके बाजू वाले खुश हो रहे हैं आपका रॉन्ग हुआ तो. अच्छा, उन्होंने सही सोचा था. ओके, योर क्वेश्चन इज A bullock cart carrying a box of treasure is intercepted by A. The offense of theft is committed by A if and as soon as option A, he seizes the bullock. Option B, the bullock is made to move by him in his direction. Option C, he takes the box of treasure. Or option D, he takes the valuable contents of the treasure.
D.
रॉन्ग आंसर हो गया. क्वेश्चन उलट पुलट हो गया. आपको उसका पता था, इसका नहीं पता था. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, द बुलॉक इज मेड टू मूव बाय हिम इन हिज डायरेक्शन. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A spits over B. A would be liable for the offense of option A, annoyance, option B, assault, option C, using criminal force, or option D, defamation.
B. Option B.
Wrong answer. The answer is option C, using criminal force. Okay, moving to the next question. A, knowing that her husband B has committed murder, knowingly conceals in order to screen him from legal punishment. A is liable for option A, murder, option B, harboring, option C, abetment by aid, or option D, no offense. Ten seconds. Three. आपने डी बोला, टाइम के पहले बोल दिया था. द आंसर इज करेक्ट. क्या बात है, जोरदार ताली हो जाए. एकदम लास्ट में आके आप करेक्ट आंसर देते हो. थोड़ा करेक्ट. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. योर क्वेश्चन इज A, B, C, D and E with weapons stopped a car on highway and forcibly took all the money carried by the passengers by putting them in fear of death. Option A, all are liable for dacoity. Option B, all are liable for robbery. Option C, all are liable for theft. Or option D, all are liable for extortion. Ten seconds.
Option A.
Correct answer. Huge round of applause, please. Okay, moving to the next question. A pushes B lightly during an argument. A knows B is standing near an uncovered drain. B falls into the drain and dies. Under BNS, A is liable for option A, culpable homicide amounting to murder. Option B, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Option C, causing death by negligence. Or option D, no offense due to lack of intention. Ten seconds.
Option A.
Wrong answer. Okay, moving to the next question. A, B, C, and D go together to Z's house. Demand repayment of money. During the argument, B stabs Z, causing death. Under BNS, liability of A, C, and D is option A, they are liable for murder due to common intention. Option B, they are liable for culpable homicide. Option C, they are liable for unlawful assembly with common object to commit murder. Or option D, they are not liable for homicide.
They are liable for an unlawful assembly with common object to commit murder.
Wrong answer. The answer is option D. They are not liable for homicide. Okay, moving to the next group. Mike. Your question is A has taken a house on rent from B. A has gone out after closing the house. B puts his own lock on the premises in A's absence. This is option A, no offense at all. Option B, wrongful confinement. Option C, wrongful restraint. Or option D, trespass.
D. Trespass. Trespass. D.
Decide कर लो A और D.
D. D. ठीक है ये.
दोनों ही wrong है. The answer is option C, wrongful restraint. Okay, your question is under BNSS, who has the authority to establish the court of session in a district? Option A, governor. Option B, high court. Option C, state government. Or option D, all of these. सही आंसर देना है. Ten seconds. Option D. Wrong answer. The answer is option C, state government. Okay. Moving to the next question. Your question is, as per the new provisions of FIR enshrined in section 173 of BNSS, which type of FIR was statutorily introduced? Option A, zero FIR. Option B, EFIR. Option C, both. Or option D, only traditional form of FIR is allowed.
Ma'am, option B. EFIR.
Option B.
Yes.
Okay, the answer is correct. क्या बात है, तालियां हो जाए जोरदार. Your question is under BNSS 2023, what is the maximum period within which an investigation must be completed for offences punishable with imprisonment of less than 10 years? Option A, 30 days. Option B, 60 days. Option C, 90 days. Or option D, 180 days.
C. Option C.
Wrong answer. The answer is option B, 60 days. सोचा था वो? नहीं सोचा था. Okay. चलो. Okay, moving to the next question. Your question is compounding of an offense will result in option A acquittal, option B discharge, option C compromise, or option D conviction.
Option C.
Wrong answer. The answer is option A. Okay, moving to the next question. Your question is the power to remit sentence can be exercised by option A Supreme Court, option B High Court, option C appropriate government, or option D President. Ten seconds.
Would like to pass.
Okay. The answer is option C appropriate government. सोचा था वो ओ बाप रे तो सही किया पास करके. Okay. Moving to the next question. The question is the maximum number of offences under section 242 BNSS that can be tried together are option A 2, option B 3, option C 5, or option D 4. Ten seconds.
Option B.
Wrong answer. The answer is option C 5. Okay. But point नहीं मिलेगा. Okay. Moving to the next question. What is the maximum sentence a magistrate of first class can pass under BNSS? Option A 3 years and rupees 10,000 fine. Option B 7 years and unlimited fine. Option C 5 years and rupees 1 lakh fine. Or option D 3 years and rupees 50,000 fine.
Option D.
Correct answer. क्या बात है, तालियां हो जाए for the correct answer. Okay, next group, ready? Your question is the direction to ensure that police officers do not arrest accused unnecessarily and magistrates do not authorize detentions casually were issued by the Supreme Court in the following case. Option A Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar. Option B Lalita Kumari versus State of UP. Option C Sumita Kumari versus State of Bihar. Or option D Anju Chaudhary versus State of UP.
ऑप्शन ए अर्नेश कुमार वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बिहार.
क्या बात है, करेक्ट आंसर हो गया. नाइस. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which courts were originally in CRPC but have been abolished under BNSS? Option A Court of Metropolitan Magistrates. Option B Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class. Option C Court of Judicial Magistrate Second Class. Or option D Court of Sessions. Option
D.
Wrong answer. The answer is option A Court of Metropolitan Magistrates. Okay, moving to the first group again. Concept based questions. Your question is A is arrested and remanded to judicial custody for the offense of theft. He is in such custody for the last 3.5 years and his trial has not yet commenced. Which of the following suggestions is correct in this? Option A, he shall be released unconditionally. Option B, he shall not be released. Option C, he shall be released on bail only when he remained in custody for half of the maximum period of sentence provided for the offense, or option D, none of the above. टाइम जा रहा है. ऑप्शन सी. Wrong answer. The answer is option A. He shall be released unconditionally. Okay. Next question is, A was arrested and remanded to judicial custody. After 22 days from first remand, police sought custody of A for further investigation. Under BNSS, the magistrate may, option A, reject police custody, option B, grant police custody, option C, grant only judicial custody, or option D, grant custody only with High Court approval. Ten seconds. Timer stop. D.
D.
Wrong answer. The answer is option B, grant police custody. आप उधर का आंसर करो, आप उधर का आंसर करो. Okay. Next group. Ready? Your question is, a woman victim of rape requested that her statement be recorded at her residence. The investigating officer insisted on recording it at the police station. Under BNSS, the IO's conduct is option A, legal, option B, discretionary, option C, illegal, or option D, procedural irregularity only. बाजू वाले से नहीं पूछना है. आंसर टाइम जा रहा है.
Okay. C.
इतना अफसोस के साथ. करेक्ट आंसर हो गया. क्या बात है. ये तुक्का था तो अफसोस क्यों हुआ? आंसर तो करेक्ट हो गया. आपने हेल्प की. वो आपके कान में खुसफुस कर रहे थे. साजिश. अरे बाप रे. ओके चलो नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. योर क्वेश्चन इज, A is arrested and informed of grounds 16 hours later. He was shown arrest memo immediately. Under BNSS, arrest is option A, valid, option B, illegal, option C, irregular but curable, or option D, valid due to memo. Less than 10 seconds.
Option A.
Wrong answer. The answer is, सारे ही बोल दो. ऑप्शन बी, इलीगल. किसको लगा था बी? ओ बाप रे. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. माइक. टाइम खत्म होने से पहले बोलना. Your question is, X files a private complaint in the court of the magistrate. During the course of the inquiry, it transpired that the police is also investigating into the same subject matter. The magistrate in such case shall, option A, continue with the complaint case and record statement. Option B, call for a report from the police officer. Option C, stay the proceedings of such inquiry or trial and call for a report on the matter from the police officer conducting the investigation. Or option D, dismiss the complaint. Ten seconds.
Will pass.
No try? Okay. The answer is? Correct. The answer is option C. Moving to the next question. Your question is, in a compoundable offense between A and B, the victim wants to compound the offense but the accused objects to compounding. Which of the following is correct? Option A, court must compound the offense because it is a compoundable offense. Option B, court may compound without consent. Option C, offense cannot be compounded. Or option D, compounding depends on prosecution. Less than 10 seconds.
Option A.
Wrong answer. Answer is option C. Offense cannot be compounded. Okay, moving to the next group. Your question is, after charges are framed, accused pleads guilty and is convicted by magistrate. He later wants to challenge the conviction. Which of the following is correct? Option A, appeal does not lie. Option B, revision is the only remedy. Option C, appeal lies. Or option D, only writ petition lies. Ten seconds.
C.
Appeal lies. Wrong answer. The answer is option A. Appeal does not lie. Okay, moving to the next group. Next question is, A divorces his wife. After divorce, she claims maintenance. Options are, option A, she can claim maintenance even after divorce. Option B, she can only claim alimony. Option C, she can neither claim alimony nor maintenance. Option D, she can only approach the Supreme Court for maintenance. Less than 10 seconds. शॉक लगा. आंसर इज, आपने हैं बोला इतना बड़ा. करेक्ट आंसर, पॉइंट के बिना वाला करेक्ट आंसर. शी कैन क्लेम मेंटेनेंस इवन आफ्टर डिवोर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. योर क्वेश्चन इज, Maintenance proceedings are conducted before a judicial magistrate first class. Which of the following procedures is required to be followed by the magistrate while trying such cases? Option A, summons case procedure. Option B, warrant case procedure. Option C, summary case procedure. Or option D, none of the above. Ten seconds.
A.
करेक्ट आंसर. क्या बात है, तालियां हो जाए. इस बारी सभी बहुत कम लोगों ने करेक्ट आंसर्स दिए. बट द क्वेश्चंस आर फिनिश्ड. नाउ वी विल अनाउंस द पॉइंट्स. सो वी हैव फाउंड द टॉप 3 दैट आर मूविंग टू द राउंड 3. कौन होंगे? सबने अपने अपने पॉइंट्स तो लिखे ही है. टाई ब्रेकर नहीं है बिकॉज वी हैव फाउंड द टॉप 3. नाउ ये वाले पॉइंट्स आर फ्रॉम राउंड 1 एंड राउंड 2. दोनों के पॉइंट्स मिला के हैं. नहीं, टाई ब्रेकर नहीं, दोनों राउंड्स के पॉइंट्स मिला के है. आनंद यूनिवर्सिटी पॉइंट्स आर 18 -18. ओ बाप रे, -18 सॉरी. अविरत यूनिवर्सिटी +28. लोकमान्य 0. GLS यूनिवर्सिटी +24. KU यूनिवर्सिटी कितने? +60. You are qualified. LJ यूनिवर्सिटी +28. सिल्वर ओक यूनिवर्सिटी +38. मोनार्क यूनिवर्सिटी +56 एंड वडोदरा लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी +28. कौन है 3 यूनिवर्सिटीज? कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर एवरीवन. क्या बात है. These 3 universities are moving to the round 3. Before moving to the round 3, the rules are, इस राउंड में वी हैव 12 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सारे क्वेश्चंस में आपको ऑप्शंस भी मिलेंगे. मैं पूरा क्वेश्चन बोल दूंगी, उसके बाद टाइमर ऑन होगा. टाइमर ऑन हो रहा है और अगर आपको आंसर पता है तो ही आप बज़र प्रेस करोगे. अगर आपने बज़र प्रेस करके आंसर दे दिया तो फिर आपको राइट आंसर के +20 मिलेंगे. बट अगर आपने बज़र प्रेस करके विद इन 5 सेकेंड्स आंसर नहीं किया, विच इज़ अन अटेम्प्ट, उसके आपके -5 हो जाएंगे. और अगर आपने बज़र प्रेस करके रॉन्ग आंसर दिया तो उसके आपके -10 हो जाएंगे. क्लियर है इतना? और अगर आंसर आपने सोच लिया उसी के बाद बज़र दबाना. इन केस 2 बज़र साथ में दब जा रहे हैं तो वी हैव आवर जजेस. वो डिसाइड करेंगे कि किसका बज़र पहले प्रेस हुआ है. उस पर कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट राउंड 1, राउंड 2 एंड राउंड 3 तीनों के पॉइंट्स काउंट होंगे, टोटल होंगे लास्ट में, विच विल बी द विनिंग टीम. जो सारी अभी हम जो ट्रॉफीज़ देंगे उसमें वी आर गोइंग टू गिव ट्रॉफीज़ टू ऑल ऑफ द पार्टिसिपेंट्स. तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो आप लोग पीछे बैठे हैं, आप लोगों के लिए वी हैव कॉलेज ट्रॉफीज़ एंड आपके नाम का सर्टिफिकेट आपको ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगा. ओके, एंड जो 3 टीम्स है, आप तीनों टीम्स, जो एक विनिंग टीम होगी उनको तो बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है, बट जो रिमेनिंग आप 3 टीम्स हैं उनमें आपको कॉलेज ट्रॉफी मिलेगी, आपको पार्टिसिपेशन ट्रॉफी मिलेगी एंड यू विल गेट सर्टिफिकेट विद योर नेम जो आपको ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगा. जो विनिंग टीम होगी उनको कॉलेज ट्रॉफी जाएगी, पार्टिसिपेशन ट्रॉफी जाएगी, कैश प्राइज़ जाएगा, झगड़ा मत करना, मैं लूँगी, स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी फ्रॉम मूव लॉ अकेडमी AIB कोचिंग जो ऑल इंडिया एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम होती है, एंड सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलेंगे आपके नाम के. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज़ फॉर all 3 of you. The question is, mistake as to law in force in India makes the contract option A void, option B voidable, option C neither void nor voidable, or option D impossible to perform.
Void. A.
Wrong answer. नहीं, अब नहीं, क्वेश्चन नल हो जाएगा फिर. डांस. यस, दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन C, neither void nor voidable. ओके तो आपके रॉन्ग आंसर के हो रहे हैं -10. एक बारी क्वेश्चन चला गया, द क्वेश्चन इज नल, देन विल नो प्रॉब्लम, विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज A contracts to sing at B's theatre on a fixed date. On that date, A is ill but capable of performing with discomfort. The contract is option A void due to impossibility, option B voidable at A's option, option C not discharged, or option D voidable at B's option.
Option D.
Option D. Wrong answer. The answer is option C, not discharged. आराम से वी हैव 30 सेकेंड्स, आप सोच के भी बजर प्रेस कर सकते हो. ओके दोनों का रॉन्ग हो गया, आप एडवांटेज में हो. ओके चलिए, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The title of the Constitution of India is given under which of the following provisions? Option A, Article 1. Option B, Article 373. Option C, Article 393. Option D, Preamble.
Article 393.
इन्होंने ही पहले प्रेस किया था. Okay, your answer is option C. Correct answer. क्या बात है. ओके हाँ, अगर दो टीम्स ने साथ में बजर प्रेस किया है तो जजेस विल से कि किसे आंसर करना है, फिर ही आंसर करना है. अभी के लिए यू आर गेटिंग +20. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. योर क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया comes into force on the date of adoption of the constitution, while most other provisions came into force later? Option A, Article 1, option B, Article 5, option C, Article 394, or option D, Article 395. Wait.
Option
Yes.
B, Article 5.
Wrong answer हो गया. The answer is option C, Article 394. We have 30 seconds, तो आप आराम से सोच के आंसर करो. Okay, moving to the next question. A proposal under the Indian Contract Act 1872 can be revoked. Option A, at any time before acceptance. Option B, before communication of acceptance is complete as against the proposer. Option C, before communication of acceptance is complete as against the acceptor. Or option D, at any time after acceptance but before performance.
Option B.
Option B, before communication of acceptance is complete as against the proposer. Correct answer. क्या बात है. तालियां आप सबको भी बजानी है. Yes. Okay. You are getting +20. Moving to the next question. Consent given for causing harm is a defense under BNS except when option A, harm is grievous, option B, harm causes death, option C, consent is in writing, or option D, act is done in good faith.
Option D.
आपने बजर प्रेस किया था?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. The answer is
Option D.
wrong answer. The answer is option B, harm causes death. जब दो लोगों का आ रहा है तो थोड़ा सा वेट करो और जजेस विल से फिर ही आंसर करना. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which new offence has been added under section 226 of BNS? Option A, mob lynching. Option B, abetment of suicide to restrain public servants. Option C, attempt to murder. Or option D, false promise of employment. Yes.
Option
Then-
B.
5 seconds just hit हुए थे. चलेगा? Okay. The answer is
Option B.
Option B. Correct answer. Huge round of applause, please. The answer is abatement of suicide to restrain public servants. Correct. Okay, moving to the next question. Under BNSS, if an FIR relating to a cognizable offence is refused to be registered by the officer in charge of a police station, the aggrieved person may, option A, directly file a charge sheet before the magistrate, option B, send the substance of information to the superintendent of police, option C, approach the High Court under Article 226 only, or option D, file a private complaint without any further remedy.
Option B.
Option B. Correct answer. Amazing. Moving to the next question. The question is, the power of the President to promulgate ordinances under Article 123 is subject to judicial review on the ground of option A, political necessity, option B, mala fide, option C, satisfaction of Parliament, or option D, absolute discretion of the President.
Option B.
Option B. Correct answer. Amazing. Okay, moving to the next question. The question is, under BNSS, police custody of an accused can be granted, option A, for any time during investigation, option B, only for 15 days after arrest, option C, at any time before filing of charge sheet, option D, only with permission of the High Court.
Option A.
Wrong answer. The answer is option B, only within the first 15 days of arrest. Okay, moving to the next question. Time and place for performance of promise, where time is specified and no application to be made in which of the following in the Indian Contract Act 1872? Option A, Section 42, option B, Section 36, option C, Section 47, or option D, Section 40.
Option C.
Correct answer. Amazing. Moving to the next question. Law Commission of India 2015 report deals with option A, juvenile justices, option B, sexual offences, option C, death penalty, or option D, all of these. Ten seconds. Okay, no one answered. The answer is C, death penalty. सोचा था, यही सोचा था? Okay, who's the winner? कौन है? हो गया. क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हो गए एंड वी गॉट अ विनर. हाँ, 12 हो गए. उसमें से एक आप लोगों ने आंसर नहीं किया, काफ़ी रॉन्ग किए, थोड़े से सही किए. Silver Oak is the winner. Huge round of applause for Silver Oak. Okay, on second we have Monarch. And on third, कर्नावती यूनिवर्सिटी. अमेजिंग. एक बारी जोरदार तालियां सभी लोग खुद के लिए बजा दीजिए, क्योंकि सभी लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया है. ओके, फॉर द ट्रॉफी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फर्स्ट हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू द कॉलेजेस. आप लोग सब आएंगे, मतलब वी आर टेकिंग द नेम्स एंड वन बाय वन विल कम एंड आवर जजेस विल गिव यू द ट्रॉफी. सो बिफोर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द ट्रॉफी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क आवर जजेस के स्टूडेंट्स ने कैसा परफॉर्म किया है. Like the best ones and who can improve. आपसे they'll know the best.
पहले तो बहुत ही कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस विनिंग टीम को, और साथ ही साथ
एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लगी आप लोगों की, पार्टिसिपेट किया। देखो एक बहुत क्लियर चीज़ है, वकीलात में आगे, लॉ फील्ड में आगे, एक पार्टी जीतती है, दूसरी हारती है, ठीक है। आगे जाके ऐसे बहुत एक्सपीरियंस होने वाले हैं आपको वकीलात में, कभी आप कोई केस जीतोगे, कभी हारोगे। नेवरदिलेस यू ट्राई, आपको आपका प्रॉपर प्रिपेयर होके आना है, ट्राई करना है। मैं जज ही कर रहा था कि कौन कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा पढ़ के आया है, ठीक है। जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल दूँ तो भाई BNS में एक्सपर्ट है, वो लड़का बैठा है वो। यहाँ मैंने देखा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अच्छे हो, और ये भाई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाले थे, मिक्स वाले थे। कभी कभी तो इसको आपके आंसर देने का फायदा हो गया कि बजर सेकंड दबाया, बाकी तो उसके माइंड में गलत आंसर ही था। तो वो बाजू वाली बोली थी कि लकी है भाई, तो बजर बाद में लगा। तो ठीक है, यू ट्राइड योर बेस्ट, अटेम्प्ट करते रहिए। और जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ सबको कि लॉ फील्ड इज़ द बेस्ट फील्ड। हमेशा डटे रहो, मेहनत करते रहो। फर्स्ट जनरेशन हो कोई बात नहीं, सक्सेस मिलेगा अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करोगे। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।
Pehli, we are going to start with the trophy distribution for the college trophy. I would like to call LG University first here, please. Can we have a huge round of applause, please, for their participation? Next college, GLS University students. Huge round of applause, please, for GLS University. Lokmanya College, Ahmedabad. Vadodara Institute of Law. तालियां सबके लिए बजती रहनी चाहिए क्योंकि सभी लोग स्पेशली काफ़ी दूर दूर से भी आए हैं। हमारे पास आणंद से, बड़ौदा से और अहमदाबाद से सभी जगह से स्टूडेंट्स हैं। Anand Law College. Now we are moving towards the 3 teams and we are going to give you the college trophies, the participation trophy and the certificates will be sent online. For that, first Karnavati University, Gandhinagar. Huge round of applause for everyone, please. Next is Monarch University. Participation trophy, college trophy and certificates will be sent online. क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Now the winning team. A huge round of applause for the winning team, Silver Oak University. College trophy for all of you. Cash prize for Silver Oak University. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। And you will be getting scholarship of AIB coaching. इसके vouchers आपको मिल जाएंगे।